Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I have another unboxing. This was the end of the year surprise sale from Chic Sparrow. And I had not planned on getting any other covers, but it was too good a deal not to. So I have 2 weekly covers in here, and that should be the last of the covers that I'm going to get for 2022. I have a ton, and I know many of you have asked me to go over the different makers cover collections that I have. Chic Sparrow is by far the biggest collection I have, and I have a lot of their older retired pieces, mostly their Odyssey collection, which any of you out there that have Odyssey, that have rings and or splotches, let me know. I'll happily take those off your hands for you. But I do have quite a few Foxy Fix. I have quite a few of the Mystics Little Gifts and Falcon Travelers, all of that. So I don't foresee myself purchasing any more covers this year, just because I just purchased Serenity, which all of you who did not see that video, I will link it up above. It is beautiful. But I wanted to get a couple more weekly covers, and it was just too good a deal to pass up. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and put that off to the side. Woo, they got a new big sticker there. That's cool. I love that. So I love their paper, and I've made a couple of dashboards out of this where I've painted or colored all the little pieces in there, and I think they're gorgeous. This is their product warranty card that you would fill out and then have that on hand. Ooh, the teapot, or the teacup, I guess, with the little peppermint stick and the sparrows. So, new sticker. I do not have this one, which is awesome. Let me go ahead, and I did not request any special anythings on either one of these. So, we will see which one is which. So, first up, we have the Open Road. So, this is the Open Road. It is a Waypoint leather, and if you've been following me at any point in time, you know that I love the Waypoint leathers. It is a very different kind of color. Let me see if I can get, does that hinder or help? It's a brown, but it also has some different aspects to it as far as the feeling to it. This feels very different than the Open Road that I'm used to, but, you know, that's all right. And these are both happy accidents. And so you can tell here how this has kind of got a little bit of some warping there. And then it looks like, and I don't know if you guys can tell it, there's like some sheen on the leather. It's like a darker coloring to it. So like when they tumbled this, it got a little bit darker, and that's okay. I actually do not like pristine leathers. It puts too much pressure on me. I'm like, yeah, nope. I like this a lot better because I can throw it in my bag and not have a problem with it. But I really did. I had gotten a sample of the Open Road, and I was like, I really like that color because it's not like a true brown. And so it seemed like a brown with a little bit of silver in it to me. But that's beautiful, and I am definitely happy with that. So, and it's so funny because like right here, you can see that it's pebbled, but I can barely feel that pebbling. But up here, where you can't see the pebbling nearly as well. You feel it much more. So, I am totally fine with that. So that's the Open Road. And then we have this one. And this is the Sequoia. It's their green. Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And this is a Waypoint as well. So these are some of the newer Waypoint colors. So, you can see the green a lot more in depth on the inside of that. This is a pull-up leather. So you do get that pull-up, but you can also rub that out. I'm imagining because this is a happy little accident as well. I'm imagining it's probably that kind of marking there. That's kind of like it seems like it's been like a scratch, but to me, it looks like it's part of the leather. So, and that I actually did myself. So, and then that's the beauty of pull-up leather, is that you can rub it and it will go back to what it was. Either that or it's these little notches here. That is probably more like it, is those little notches that seem like they might have gotten cut too close to a punch. So using that piece of leather for the interior pocket, that probably did not pass the quality. So, because that's the only other thing that I can even think of. Because otherwise, the stitching looks great, everything. And, I mean, this is gorgeous. I realize now that they have a different Chic Sparrow stamp. This is their old stamp. This is my Odyssey, I can't remember which color. It's either the marigold or I can't remember. Anyway, it's the orange one. But this is their old logo stamp. And I don't know how long they've had this new one. But that is very cool as well. And yep, they both have the new stamp on it. And those are actually kind of cut in. Whereas this one, you could tell it was stamped in. So it was impressed, like made an impression into the leather. Whereas this is actually burnished in. So it is like a hot iron burnishing into the leather. So, but those are the two covers that I got. Both of them happy accidents. And like I said, I think the Open Road had something to do with this on the outside. But that doesn't bother me at all. I think it's just part of it. And then I think these two, where it's got those notches cut in there. And if they had cut it down, it would have made it less than this one. But there you go. Open Road and Sequoia Waypoint Weeks covers. And I think I'm pretty much done. Unless something, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious comes out, I am probably done with purchasing covers for the year. And I had been after I got Serenity, but when this sale came out, I was like, these are I got these. Each one of these was $37, which you cannot beat that at all. And Jennifer Harvey has said that the end of the year sale is probably never going to happen again like that. But it was kind of a perfect storm, needing to clear out some inventory, but also making room for some new things. So I am happy with that. And the reason these were so as inexpensive as they were is because they were happy little accidents, which is a category on the Chic Sparrow website that has something wrong with it. And you don't know what the flaw is. Like I just did open road. And so I would have had no idea what would have been wrong with this because they don't tell you. It's unlike the branded section, because with the branded section, you actually see the notebook you're going to purchase. Whereas with the happy little accidents, you don't know what's wrong with it until you get it. So there you have it. I'm very excited with these. And I think that, if for some reason I purchase something new, like I said, it has to be really special for me to even think about it. But just know that sometime in the next month or two, I will probably start going through my different collections. And let me know down below if you would rather see the collection by size or if you would rather see the collection by maker, because I've done both. I can show you, I have a ton of pockets, A5s, weekly covers, and not as many A6 or B6 slims, but I think actually the most I have is pockets. So let me know down below which you would rather see, per maker or per size. Usually if I go by maker, I go by size anyway, although I may break out the Odyssey Collection all on its own, which is what this is. And it's been so long since I bought this. I have absolutely no idea. Let's see if my little card is in here. I think I moved it, maybe. Yeah, I moved it out because I was doing something. And I took this with me to Seattle and I didn't want to lose that card. So I took it out and I just haven't put it back in. But anyway, Odyssey, my one and longest true love from Chic Sparrow. I wish they would bring this back. But anyway, I hope you guys have had a wonderful day, and I look forward to my next video with you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.